Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Just to kind of recap, I had my Honda Civic Type R door dinged, some paint taken off in the Home Depot parking lot, and in the last video I had a paintless dent repair guy that I've used for years try to fix the dent, and honestly it created a few creases in the door still, and he didn't want to do more work on it. I felt frustrated. I felt like it could be better, and I don't want to call him out in the video or his company or anything like that. He's been a good guy to me and he's repaired a lot of cars. But I just wasn't happy with the work, and I felt like it could be better. And I started looking around. I started doing some more research. This guy's done a lot of cars for me, but I have found a new guy here in Utah that is phenomenal at this. Introducing Jared from Gold Star Paintless Dent Removal. He, as you're going to see in this video, made my car look so much better, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
Yeah. Tap, you know? Well, the main one though is probably like 2, 3, maybe 4 inches of damaged area. That little ridge you see behind my head, then that ridge.
Like, is it the one, like the vertical one, or?
Do you see this guy here? You see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's...
Is that where the brace, is that the brace, or?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I mean, the dent, like, before was like, I mean, it was a door that hit it and it came across this way.
Yeah.
But I just feel like he created like 2 or 3.
Well, yeah, because I don't know if you can see behind my head. You see the light? You see the light board?
Yep.
So yeah, there's like 1 mile push there. There's a push here. There's a push here. A little one here. So him trying to get through that brace, unless the brace must be right. Oh yeah, the brace is right there.
Yep.
And then that's like, that might be inside the brace, and then the other bottom part might be, or it might be a diagonal one actually. Oh no, there it is right
Yeah,
there.
he said it was really odd. He's like, the 2 braces are like right in the way.
Yeah, there's probably one that goes like this. I don't think there's one that goes down. That'd be weird. It's probably like this and then like a Y. It's like probably a Y or something.
Okay.
But that's those are the main dudes. Yeah, I would probably just kind of glue pull and then tap down. But realistically, I guess you have 4 inches of damaged area if we did.
Yeah. All right, and here's after Jared from Gold Star did his work. It's not 100%, but it is so improved from the previous guy, and only like a teeny imperfection in it is from the previous guy and how deep he got with some of his tools. But like a lot of the, like there was like 3 or 4 dents, vertical, horizontal, and I mean, he made this look really is as good as you can get it. I mean, it really it improved it drastically. There's just a couple small imperfections in the door, but you know, before it had like a dent that was, you know, it was about this, you know, this high, and really kind of like almost a seam looking at it. And he made this look so good, and it's so much better than what it was. I've used Dr. Color Chip down here on my chip. If I can get the camera to focus, there we go. And I'm having them send me another one. I sent them this. It's just darker than what I think it should be. And so they mixed up a new bottle and are sending it over my way, but I want to be able to ceramic coat this door again after all of the, you know, after all of the banging on the door and me having to polish it. It removed all my ceramic coating off of it. And I did it this door as well, just because some of the tools and lights they put on the suction mount, it kind of scratched the door up a little bit. And so as soon as I get that other sample from Dr. Color Chip, I'm gonna come in and fix that, and hopefully it blends better. If it doesn't, then, I mean, it is what it is. It looks better than the bare metal that's on the door. But yeah, this looks drastically improved from what it was. Let me know your guys' thoughts based on the previous video and this video. Obviously, I know I'm picky, but this door overall, after Jared did it, made me feel in such a better place about the car overall. And yeah, that's it. So maybe as I clean up the paint chip and ceramic coat it, I'll give you guys an update.